satellite radio, MP3 CD player, and cruise control. This 2006 Suzuki Grand Vitara has a sharp shining red exterior and a super clean black interior. Our vehicles are value priced and move quickly. Be sure to call us to confirm availability, and to schedule a hassle-free test drive. We are located at 1050 Lawshend Drive, Darlington, South Carolina, 29532.